Hey guys, this is Yogi and this is Yogi's Playhouse. And make sure to subscribe, comment, and give it a thumbs up. Enjoy the video. Hey guys, today we're doing my first unboxing video. And by the way, I'm not sponsored by Coca-Cola. Now let's get to it. I have my mini fridge here, and let me pull it out. And we have a latch here that's to open it, and we have a seal here where it could stay cold. And we also have removable drawers, and also the latch keeps it tight. So as you see, I can't open it without using the latch. Oh, and also we have these cables. We have two types of cables, and one is an AC, which for all of you guys that don't know what an AC cable is, it's for outlets at home. And we have a DC cable, that's for traveling cars, and you could put them on boats, you could put them on RVs, and a bunch of cars. And also we also in the back we have two fans right here. We have three modes. We have cold, off, warm, and we have DC, and AC. And also this is a DC 12 volt. And here is where you put either of the cables that you are using. And we don't need this one today because we are using it for my room. So now we need to place my fridge where it's going to go. It's going to be right here. It's a very light fridge, by the way. So, boom. If you have made it this far, thank you, subscribe, and like. Peace.